Hello, I'm Laura Guerrero, and I'm here today to talk with Aviv Kaufman, an ESG lab analyst, about a new software technology from EMC that really has people talking, Scale.io. Hi Aviv, thanks for joining me today.
It's great to be here, Laura.
When we talk to people in IT, no matter what the size of the organization, it seems they're all fighting the same battle, to do more with less. Is that something that you're seeing?
Absolutely. With budgets flattening and demands on IT increasing, it's no surprise that TCO is the most important consideration when selecting a storage vendor. IT departments are trying to become more cloud-like and make the transformation from a cost center to a service center. To do so, they need a cost-effective, flexible, and scalable solution that meets the demands of today's high-performance applications.
So EMC has a solution that can help.
I really think so. ESG Lab recently tested Scale.io, a software solution that can help turn any commodity hardware into a scalable, converged server SAN. It's made up of two main components. The Scale.io Data Server, or SDS, contributes internal storage to a shared storage pool that's distributed across all the nodes running the SDS. And the Scale.io Data Client, or SDC, allows clients to access these Scale.io volumes. The data is automatically balanced and protected so nodes can be added and removed easily and non-disruptively. The cool thing is that there's a lot of flexibility in how you can deploy it. Servers can simply provide storage, consume storage, or do both, converging the storage, compute, and networking resources into a scalable building block that's easy to manage too. The SDS and SDC can even be installed on cloud servers to take advantage of cloud compute and storage resources.
Well, that's great. So can you tell me a little bit about your testing?
Well, we tested the performance and scalability of a Scale.io solution in a converged Oracle RAC environment. The setup consisted of 8 industry-standard servers with flash storage devices. Cluster database performance was measured using the popular SLOB benchmark to generate high-performance SQL queries. We used the Scale.io monitor and the Oracle Enterprise Manager to validate the performance of the 8-node cluster, and saw nearly 840,000 IOPS performing database queries, and over 565,000 IOPS when performing a mixed query and update workload. Next, we performed 3 parallel table scans to the database to see what kind of throughput the 8 nodes could sustain. The Scale.io solution was able to deliver over 21 gigabytes per second. Finally, we tested the ability of the solution to perform these workloads simultaneously across simulated production and development databases. The Scale.io cluster was able to sustain over 359,000 random IOPS, while also serving multiple Oracle parallel queries that exceeded 16 gigabytes per second.
That is some great performance, but how well does it scale?
Well, with a name like Scale.io, it better scale. We audited the results of a 53-node system tested with a popular FIO benchmark. We saw 8.5 million random read IOPS, 3.7 million write IOPS, and 114 gigabytes per second with 64 KB random reads. The best part is, this performance was still only limited by the amount of hardware available.
What about the ability to adjust to the changing needs of the business? Did you test that?
Sure. We tested the ability of the system to grow and shrink on demand. We removed and added nodes in the cluster while running the SLOB mixed query and update workload. The cluster was able to non-disruptively shrink and grow while the measured performance decreased and increased in predictable linear increments.
What about data protection?
We tested the self-healing capability of Scale.io in a worst-case 3-node configuration. While running a SLOB-generated workload of nearly 120,000 IOPS, one of the nodes was halted. The data was automatically rebuilt across the surviving 2 nodes to assure protection. Once the node was reinserted, Scale.io automatically rebalanced the data across the 3 nodes and performance returned to the original level.
Scale.io certainly sounds like an exciting technology. Can you tell us why this matters to the business?
Sure. IT is under constant pressure to do more with less. Many traditional IT solutions are not only expensive to purchase, but are also costly to operate and maintain. Using Scale.io, ESG Lab was able to transform 8 industry-standard servers and a single switch into a powerful converged architecture capable of supporting high-performance, highly available Oracle RAC environment. The solution can leverage the right hardware at the right time to minimize capital expenditures and can be managed by a single administrator, helping to lower the operational expenses. Best of all, Scale.io can easily scale up or down on demand to meet the unpredictable needs of the business and enable IT to make the transformation from a simple cost center into a responsive service center. If your organization is struggling to deploy technologies that are flexible enough to meet the unpredictable application demands while also minimizing costs, then ESG Lab strongly suggests that you make a small investment to try and license Scale.io today. You might just end up finding your solution for tomorrow.
This has been very informative. Thank you again for your time, Aviv. If you'd like to learn more, you can download the full ESG Lab report from the EMC website.